Alright, I bought my Grooming Club shaver, and sent me a nice box, and here it is. It says to put on this pre-shave oil beforehand, so we'll do that. Lemongrass and marjoram. Marjoram. I don't know. Let's see. Put some on my head. Alright. Oh, I dropped it. It's all good. Ooh, this is it's like oily. Alright. Grab the shaver here. This little button. Turn on here. Looks like somewhere. I had it. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this is supposed to oh, I can feel it. Now I cut my hair down to 1. So a lot of people are looking for that bald feel that you get from shaving your head with a straight razor or a Bic or something like that. And it's really hard to get that with a foil shaver like this. But it feels like it's accomplishing that goal here. Spent some time, yeah, wow, holy cow. Now I pulled this right out of the box and it's ready to go. So I'm going too fast. Yeah, I can feel when I go a little bit slower here, it accomplishes what I want. You can hear the cutting, and you can put nominal pressure here. You don't have to go really hard like some of those, like I've tried like everything. The Wall bald shaver, the Norelco stuff. You can really feel if you go with the grain of the hair. It really is, yeah. Holy cow! Smooth as the baby's bottom. Yeah, it's a with the grain shaver for sure, which is good because again, you don't want your significant other running their hand across your head as a bald man or woman and feeling that that hair stripe or that missed spot where you miss shaving. There's definitely a spot right here. Yeah, you gotta go against the grain. Wow. It's really, really good. So this is a maintenance shaver. So you have to prep for this a little bit, but if you're somebody that wants to have a cleanly shaven head all the time, you're gonna have to commit to shaving your head every couple days. Unlike me, but this might change things here. Behind the ears, always a spot I forget. On the top of my head, I have like a divot on the top of my head. Ugh. Freaks me out. I think we're good. Holy cow. Groomie. I realized that whole video, it's like, you can see my double chin.